Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, and this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a max trailer tow package as well as the Lariat Sport Package. Taking a look at the back, we do have rear park sensing, that nice tow hitch, we got a backup camera, we do have mud flaps on both rear and front wheel wells, as well as a gripped running board. We have a side view camera, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we do have front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, that nice front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a remote start, so then you go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see on the interior, we can see that this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, a B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice. Nice brown leathering on the door, 2 cup holders, 2 heated back seats, 12 volt, USB and USB-C, and 120. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, you can pull this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. And of course, we do have extra storage if we lift up the seats. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered with the same black leathering we saw in the back there. But we do get the additional B&O sound system in the headrest. Plenty of door space again. We do have memory seating for up to 3 drivers, your parking brake, pedal adjusters, your lights, blind spot detection, and tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 88.5 kilometers. We do have a nice heated leather-wrap steering wheel. You have your toggle for your main menu, phone and media, cruise control, volume and voice. And your main menu, you do have My View, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Taking a look over here, you do have your nice leather-wrap gear shift with your speed adjusters that's also collapsible. You do have a fair bit of storage here, and 2 couples are there. You do have a wireless charging pad plus storage, USB and USB-C. This does close. You have your rear differential lock, 4-wheel drive, drive modes, trailer disconnect, and pro trailer assist. Looking here, we do have normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and ruts, rock crawl, and all the way to the left we do have tow and haul, eco, and sport. Continuing look here, we have heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, you have your 12 volt, 120 storage right there if you click this button, and storage in the glove compartment. You do have your auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, oh my, hazards, traction control, and downhill. And looking above me, we do have a twin panel moonroof with the functions right there, and we do have a rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And looking right here, you do have your audio, which is Sirius XM capable, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You do have your phone list, navigation of course, your fave app, such as messaging, email, so on and so forth. Any apps you may have downloaded, there's that Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Settings in general, such as vehicle, and so on and so forth, and features. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF38301, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.